Most people see ARM stock up 16% today and they think they missed the boat. You are wrong. I'm going to show you how to force the market to pay you $310 in the next 48 hours using a strategy that the pros use to extract rent money from AI stocks. Now, ARM isn't just a design company anymore. They're a $25 billion AI chip monster. And I found a way to lock in a 2% rate of return by Friday, even if the stock doesn't move another inch. In fact, this trade will guarantee you 2% no matter where the stock goes. That's right, I said guarantee. Stay tuned and watch the rest of this video to learn exactly how. Now here's the math. We're gonna buy 100 shares of ARM to capture that long-term quality. It closed today just over $157 per share. Now, because the implied volatility skyrocketed from the gigantic move today, 16% up from yesterday, the options premium is massive. Here's the play. Buy 100 shares. We're gonna sell an at-the-money call expiring in 2 days, Friday. That contract closed today at $310. And guess what? That $310 gets dropped into your account the moment you hit the trade button. Check it out, guys. I'm going to show you using my platform. I'm going to type the ticker symbol in and fetch the data. Now, like I said, it closed today at 157.07. We're going to look at a Friday expiration in 2 days' time, and we're going to purchase the shares at the market. Now, we're committing $15,700 on this trade because we're buying the shares up front. And right away, we're taking in $310 right when we make the trade. No matter where the stock goes, we're making 2% on our money, annualizing our return at almost 250%. It doesn't get better than this, guys. Now, what happens if ARM shoots to the moon by Friday? Well, you sell your shares a little bit higher than what you paid and you keep the $310. What happens if it stays flat or goes down? Well, you keep your shares and the $310 and then you sell another contract on Monday and take in money again. What happens if it goes down a lot though, Michelle? Well, then you sell a put and you end up buying more shares at a big discount. It is a no-lose situation. Listen, instead of buying options and betting on lotto tickets, you need to become the insurance company. Plain and simple. If you want more help on how to do this exactly for your portfolio, check out the links below. And be sure that you're subscribed to the channel because I put up content like this every single day. Specific actionable steps for you to learn options trading and change your life. Cheers for now and happy trading.